So, one of the biggest complaints on the GX is ride quality. So the seats sit really flat, and so some people want to put the risers in the front, give you a little bit of an angle, make those long rides a little more comfortable. What do you need to do that? The only thing you're going to need is a 14mm socket and a 14mm wrench, and we can knock this out real quick. So check it out, and let's see how to make those risers fit. So first things first, boom, pop your covers off, take your bolts out using your 14mm socket. You got 1 and 2, and then the next thing you got is these are your risers. See how that's going to work out? So we're going to take this loose, and it's going to hold in here, and then this is going to sit where this used to sit and give you a nice little raised angle. So you don't even have to take your back bolts loose. So I'm fixing to undo this. I'm going to put this in this and put the old bolt, this one, down through here into the original hole, and we'll be done. So let me show you what that finished product looks like. I don't have a way to hold this right now, and I'm in a hurry, but I did want to give you guys a little content today on something that you might not have ever done. And I think one of the GXOR Facebook page guys sells these. Mr. Steve supplied these. I don't remember where he got them from. So if you know the guy, tag him below. May need to collaborate with him with some GX stuff one day soon. But let me put this together and show you what it looks like. And boom, you have successfully put on a riser. So, seat angle. Look at the seat angle compared to the other. I have not raised this up. So, I know you can't see much, but very flat versus a nice little angle. So a little more comfortable ride there. The only problem, I don't think these will go back. They might. Huh. Yeah, they'll kind of sit there. It doesn't look perfect, but it gives you that better angle, better ride quality, and you'll feel better doing it. So, a couple last little button-up items on Maverick. We're gonna get this dude out of here. I gotta paint the wheels. I gotta put some little plastic pieces right there on these little dudes. There's not a plastic, but a rubber piece that goes in there. Let's see. Wire up the winch, mount the control box on top, and put some last little bits of trim pieces right through here. On the interior, we're almost done with the radio. Getting all of the new radio, but retaining all of these factory settings on the steering wheel, so adding all of that. So Drew will finish that up tomorrow. And mount the backup camera, wire in all that on the back, and Maverick will be headed to New York. So I gotta go through my list. I know there's something that I just did not mention on what I need to do. The Under Armour, the skid plates. It's got a full ARB system going under it, so gotta put them on. And the sliders, white knuckle off-road sliders, will be going on. I don't know that I will get to do the install video again because I'm time constraints trying to get this one done. So it's got to get out of here. But if you came here just for seat risers and you don't know anything about Maverick, consider subscribing, follow along, because Black Pearl's next, and we got all kind of projects going on around here. So we'd love to have you stick around. And to the rest of you, so I was gonna say sorry. You're not sorry. I am sorry that you have to stick around and see me, but if that is your wish and you want to be with me, I do feel sorry for you for having to put up with me, but I will do my best to make it entertaining. And we'll catch you guys next time.